this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, please be sure to click that subscribe button down there somewhere and the little bell, and you'll be the first to be alerted when my videos come up. So this video is the new mini catalog. Yay! It starts January to June. And also sale-a-bration is January 5th through February 28th. If you want a catalog and you're going to be placing an order through me, of course, put your information in the comments. And if you just want to put your email address, I'll email you and get your address and put you on my mailing list. So I can only show you the front of the catalog. Anyway, but I got my order. So I actually do have product that's in this catalog. So let's start. The first one is Dragonfly Garden, and it's so cute. And it comes with a punch, and it has all this cool paper here. It's got bees and all kinds of dandelions and all kinds of dragonflies. And I actually have made 2 cards. Here's one of them. I'm going to do a video after this, and there's a technique to what I'm doing right here. So this is a really pretty card, and this card as well, which the video is already up. So this is a pretty card. So here's Dragonfly Garden, and introducing blending brushes. Yay! So you get 3 of these brushes, and they're not all that expensive either. And I'm going to be using these to show you my technique to do on this card. So yay, blending brushes, and they're awesome. So blending brushes, boop, boop, boop. Simply Succulents. So this is a beautiful stamp set, and it comes with this great big floral die, and then all these to make like succulents, like cactus and stuff like that. This is really pretty. I saw this in the convention, and the cards were just simply beautiful. So here's Simply Succulents. Now, some of these will have coordinating paper in the catalog. I'd show you, but they won't let me open it. Woo, you just get to see the cover and that's it. What a tease. Anyway, so Simply Succulent. Dandy laser cut paper. Look at this. And this coordinates with that Dragonfly Garden, and then also coordinates with Garden Wishes. Another one. There's a bee there. Yay, I love bees. And here's some dies, and it's beautiful. And this has some dragonflies on it, and then some beautiful laser cut paper here. So this is really pretty. And these 2 sets really coordinate nicely, and made sure that I got both of these. So this is dandy laser cut paper. Here's a butterfly one, floating and fluttering stamps and dies. Oh, and this one's got like a frame. This is awesome. I love when I see frames. And look at the detail die butterfly. I literally just unboxed these and put these all together. Now you're going to notice that I have these all on magnets, and then I take the original plastic sleeve here, and I fold that flap to the other side and secure it with some really heavy duty like packing tape. And I keep the original information here. And then on the front, I just slide this in, but I put the name of the die, the part number, what it goes with, and how many dies. So if I'm missing a die, I'll know. And then I just stick them in here and stick them into my boxes. And then also on the stamp, I put goes with whatever die it goes with. So, but here's some beautiful butterflies, ladies. Get ready for Father's Day. And it's really, actually, I've seen this die set. It's got ties, and this one has like a shirt. But I've seen all kinds of really creative things that they did with it, like during the convention. And I'm sure you can make dresses out of this. Be sure when you're taking this off its original paper that you don't pull one end without knowing, hey, it's connected to the other, because you could bend your die. So I just keep everything nice on my magnets here. And of course I did that same thing where I put what it belongs to and folded this over. And here's the Happy Father's Day. We can always use that. Happy Birthday. So you could make a masculine card. It's always good to have a masculine card. So bow ties and regular ties. And then this comes with this really nice, well-suited twine combo pack. And then also it comes with paper. So here's some of the paper here. So it's really nice masculine paper. So that's always good to have. So here's Handsomely Suited. Art Gallery. This one's really cool. This has all these beautiful, I think they are the stamps that you can do on one side and the other. I haven't, like I said, I just unboxed these and put them all, got them all ready. So it has some sentiments here. And then, of course, the dies are really nice. Oh, there's a great big die. What does it say? Let's pull this out. I have no idea because I literally just got it. Just something. Anyway, so a nice big beautiful sentiment die, which is cool because I mean if you're a demonstrator, this would be good to do for a card kit and stuff. Also, it comes with this really cool embossing folder, and it's kind of like, it's not watercolor, it's almost like acrylic painting kind of a thing there. And then also it comes with this gold beige ribbon. It's called Fine Art. Now with this set, it comes with like acetate gold etched, well, you can't call it paper, it's acetate, I guess. This is beautiful. It's like a window paper. And then the reason why this folder is like acrylic, or like acrylic paint, is because it also has paper, and some of these papers are just, I mean, you can see the texture on the flowers here. You can really see it in the blue one, probably on the camera. This one's really cool. And of course, look at that. And then the back sides are awesome. They're just absolutely beautiful. So this is definitely one, if you're gonna pick a suite, this has everything that you would need. Now let's talk about the sale-a-bration stuff. I've got a few things, and actually Stampin' Up made a picking mistake when they did my order. These are some of the sale-a-bration things, like darling donkeys. It's so cute. I love the donkeys. And this Oh So Ombre paper. This is beautiful. Lots of purples and pinks, and then greens on the back. It's insanely beautiful. And then look at this flower and field paper. I'll pull this out. And these are all the freebies. So when you spend $50 in the catalog, you can pick one of these for free. So that's January, 5th to February 28th. So sale-a-bration is important. So you get free stuff. Now, there were 2 other things in the sale-a-bration I was supposed to get, and they picked the wrong ones. So they accidentally picked me 2 Curvy Christmases instead of my freebies. And when I called them and they corrected it, and they're sending out the 2 other ones from sale-a-bration, they told me to hang on to these. So the first 2 people that place an order for $100 or more, I will send you one of these for free, because I'll just give it away as a freebie. So if you want a Curvy Christmas, and these just came on back order, and I bet you they're going to go back on. So if you wanted this and you couldn't get it because it was on back order, then you could get one for free. You just have to place an order with me. All my information for ordering is in the comments of my video. If you want the sale-a-bration catalog and the mini catalog and the sale-a-bration catalog, then put your comments below. Like I said, it does cost me money. So if you're not going to place an order, you can just look at these online. But I'd show the inside, but I'm not supposed to, so I can't. Anyway, so there's lots of free stuff. So these were all free for ordering $50 out of the catalog, and there's lots more. This is just the pre-order stuff that demonstrators can get. But I'm looking to give away Curvy Christmas. So, but anyway, that is my video. And if you want anything, just put it in the comments below. So that's it. Thanks. Bye.